Hi guys, good morning to all. As we all know, we are going to study networking, CCNA, routing and switching. Anybody know about CCNA? Maybe you might have heard that. Anyway, let me explain the full form of that. CCNA means Cisco Certified Network Associate. R&S means it's routing and switching. So it's a basic base of an every network engineer, whoever is working in this domain. So without this CCNA, no one will become a network engineer. No one can do that. So since this is the first class, we gonna discuss about some basic things of networking. First, what is networking? It's connecting equipments together via some communication channel for the purpose of sharing data and devices. It's called networking. So let me draw some picture here. You will get a clear understanding. So we have multiple PC, like and we have a printer also. So we connect all these devices to a communication through a communication channel. There would be a device, networking device, call it as a switch, right? So we connect all these devices to this switch through the cable to form a network, to have the communication between each other. See, so this is the cable and this is a networking device, switch. See, everybody will have a mobile phone, right? And you got a SIM and you will have a mobile number and you can call to anyone, right? The same way, every PC would have one IP address to identify that device. Suppose the IP address of this device is 10.1.1.1. We will discuss IP address in detail later on. Right now, just understand the basic things. So this PC would have IP address 1.2. This one would have 1.3, and the printer have an IP address of 1.4. Okay, so this is equipments means what? Equipment, it's the PC. Here PC is our equipments, and through together by some communication channel. See, communication channel, here our communication channel is media. Media can be wired or wireless. Media can be wired or it can be wireless. Here in this diagram we use a wired media. And see, this one also a channel, communication channel. It's a networking device. It's call it as a switch to connect these devices together. So what is the purpose of networking? Its purpose is to share the data and devices. How it possible? Now let us see that. Suppose we have a movie here in this PC. Then what we will do, we will share this movie from here and we will access the same movie from second and third PC by using this network. So how it possible? So you just want to type backslash 2 times, then IP address of the first device, and where you need to type in PC. When you press Windows plus R, you will get an option run. So where you can type this backslash 10.1.1.1, then you can see your shared folder or shared movie. Then you can watch from here, you can copy from here. Same thing you can do in PC3 also. So that is sharing data. Then what is sharing device? What do you mean that? It means, see, here we have a printer, so this printer need to be accessed by this three device, right? So by using this network, it's possible we can share the printer and we can access from all of these PCs. So this is networking. This is the purpose of networking. So we can move to next slide. Here we can see two type of network, wired and a wireless network. See, here devices are connected together by using cable, right? Cable, you can see here. And the same, you can see one more figure here. Here every devices are connected without cable, right? Through, it's connected through wireless. There is a wireless connection between the devices. There would be an access point and all the devices are connected through wireless. So these are the two types of network, and the next slide you can see designing a network, how we have to design a network. In real life, consider a scenario, see, where you are going to make a new house. So what you will do, you will buy a plot. Sometimes you would have a plot. So what the first step, the next step you have to take is you need to take a site survey, right? You will do a site survey. So according to that, you will find out the best place where you need to make a house. Same way in network also, you have to do a site survey to find the proper place to construct the data center or a network. Okay, then the next step, it's design. Design means, see, in real life, before you construct a house, architecture would give you a different types of plan, right? So, and they would give you design also, how it would like, how your house would become. So they would give you that 3D also. So according to that, according to your need, you will take one of the plan, right? So same way, network architect would give you a different type of plan, and according to the quality and cost and everything, you would select one of the design, right? Then the next step, uh, after taking a plan from your architecture, you would go to construct the house or building. The same way, network, after you select a proper network design, you would implement that network, right? Then you have to secure the network from the attacker, right? You don't want to keep your network simply, so you have to secure your network. Like, in real life, you would paint your house, right, to protect from the rain. The same way to protect from the attacker, you have to secure your network. This all you have to do one time. It's a one-time process, all these things. Then the next one, upgradation and troubleshooting. It's a lifetime process. It's not a one time. So upgradation means, see, day by day technologies are changing, right? So you have to upgrade your technology also. And see, if anything happen in the network, you have to do the troubleshooting. You have to solve the issues, right, according to the needs. So the network engineer would work in this portion. So this is the part of designing a network. And the last thing, it's topology. See, in design there is different types are there. We can design bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, mesh and hybrid. According to our needs, see, we design the network. It's a different types of topology, and it would we would discuss it more in details in next class. Thank you.